going on, guys? My name is Shane, and about maybe 2 months ago I ordered something off of Facebook. This is the second thing that I've ever ordered off of my Facebook page. The first time it was a total scam. They took my money. I never got a product in the mail. I was pretty pissed about it. So I saw another thing, so I was really skeptical, and I'm like, the first time it was a scam. I never got my money back. But this one was cheap enough that I felt like even if it was another kind of scam that I wouldn't be missing out on a whole lot. But I am excited to say that it actually came in. So what's in this little packaging? Let's open it and find out together. We got our little thing open here. And that's it. It's just a little box. This is the Music Flower Liquid Eyebrow Pen. I know, it kind of sounds crazy. This is the Fine Sketch Tattoo Sense of Super Durable. I don't quite think this was translated 100% correctly. So this pencil is really interesting to me because it has like 3 little brushes at the end of it. I hope you guys will be able to see this at some point in the video. Honestly, I thought the product sounded a little gimmicky, but I wanted to try it. I thought it might be fun to try. So there are application steps on the back. It says method 1, the normal eyebrows person. Gently apply the pen to draw the contour of the eyebrows and then continue to color inside evenly along brow shape, and along brow shape you draw last step for create the vivid in nature eyebrows. So this is definitely translated from a different language to English, but we'll get the gist of it. Method 2 is for the sparse eyebrows person. I definitely think I'm going to be doing method number 1 for the normal eyebrow person because my natural eyebrows, yes, they're like bald in some spots and definitely need some shaping, but I have a lot of eyebrow hair. If you have no eyebrow hair to shape brows, contour, then gently to define the brows from sparse area. Finally use the pen, fill in color by a 45-degree angle evenly to create the perfect 3D eyebrows. That was a lot. So I'm gonna save this packaging because it does have the website down here. I will leave for you guys below if you want to try to get your own, and you can't find it on Facebook. So I got the color number 2 brown. So let's open up the packaging and actually look at the brow pencil itself. For my face, I already did my foundation, concealer. I've set everything with powder. So at this point in my normal makeup routine, now is when I would be filling in my eyebrows. So I got all of that done, so we can skip that and we can just jump right into the brows. 24 hours waterproof tattoo sense of a durable, what? Tattoo sense of super durable. And then on the other side again, Music Flower Liquid Eyebrow Pen. I don't know. It's got some plastic wrapped around it, so let's get that off. Currently, all I use to fill in my eyebrows are the Anastasia pen. But to be honest with you guys, if this pen actually ends up working, what I really want it for is like the front of my brows to get kind of a more natural hair-like look. I don't think I want to order this product and then have to wait 2 months to get it because, you know, I'd have to order well in advance. So this was just kind of more of like a fun thing than actually trying to look for something to be a staple. I can't even get this. I don't think I have to shake it or anything. It does show the color on the bottom and the cap. Oh, I'm gonna pray that my camera will pick this up a little bit, but there's like 3 tiny little like prongs, and then, oh, wow! So I did some test brush strokes, and you can definitely see over here like the little 3 hair-like brushes. I don't know, it seems maybe a little bit light, but we'll give it a try. It almost feels like a felt tip marker. So I think my game plan is to fill in one of the eyebrows completely. Ooh, I got some creasing. So I'm thinking about how to do this video. I'm thinking about maybe doing my right eyebrow, or mirrored for you guys, but my right, your left, with maybe the Wonder pencil, and then doing the other eyebrow with just using the Anastasia pencil and kind of see how I feel about them. So let's go ahead and get started on this one. I am going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz because it does have a little spoolie, and I'm going to try to fill in with this brow pencil. So First, what I always do to start filling in my brows is push all my hair down so that way I can clearly see my eyebrow shape. And I'm wondering, do I like turned it sideways so I can almost trace my eyebrow. It feels very wet. It doesn't feel like super fast drying as well, so I almost feel like if you touched it at this point, it would smudge. That's kind of what it feels like on my face, just very, very wet. Then I'm going to like kind of flip the brush so that it's flat and fill in the little tail part and the arch. So I got that filled in. I just wanna, okay, it's like transferring a tiny bit, so I'm just gonna give that a second to dry. Then I'm going to brush the hairs back up, and I don't see any smudging, so I feel like just giving it a couple of seconds, that was long enough to allow it to dry. Next, I'm going to fill in the bottom part of my brow. So again, I'm turning it on the side, so I'm kind of dragging it, and I'm just going to trace the bottom part of my eyebrow. As I'm getting closer and closer to my nose, I'm just lightening my touch. Oh, okay. I'm gonna use my spoolie just to comb out the hairs a little bit. It does feel like it kind of made my brows a little bit hard, so maybe... Why are birds always flying into my window? It was a little bit hard to get like a perfect line, so I'm definitely gonna have to go in with some concealer, but there is the eyebrow. I don't think the shape is 100% perfect. Ooh, that was weird. I went over that area maybe too many times. That's really weird. Like as I'm trying to go over my tail, it's not quite filling in like it just was. Maybe I'll try holding it this way. Alright, that eyebrow is done for now. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia pencil side now and fill in the other one. Okay, both brows are filled in. Wow, that's rough. Okay, so this side with this new product, what's it called again? The liquid eyebrow pen. I liked it and I didn't like it. The color, it's a really, really warm brown, whereas this brunette is much cooler tone. I feel like it's a much more natural color. I definitely feel like this one looks a little blockier as well as this one looks more of a natural brow. Both pencils, I always have a difficult time in the inner part kind of getting a natural kind of hair look. So what I think I'm going to try to do is I'm definitely going to have to go in with concealer and fix these up a little bit, but I want to try to take this pencil and on the Anastasia side, just do a couple of little strokes in the front. Okay, see, I like that. Okay, I like that. That looks better. Like, I actually like how this brow came out with the pencil filling in the majority of the brow and then just using this liquid eyebrow pen just to kind of fill in. Like, I had a little bald spot right there that gets filled in quickly. The front of the brow kind of creates like hair-like strokes. I definitely think this by itself, no way. I don't like it. I don't think the color is a very good match. I just definitely prefer the Anastasia one over it. However, I am gonna keep it. I am gonna use it, and I'm gonna just finish off my brows using it right in the front because I really like the idea of the brush. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer here. I'm just using my Shape Tape from Tarte, and I just want to go in and kind of clean up the shape of these brows a little bit. I feel like that's better. I feel like that's much better with a little bit of concealer helping us shape the brows. We were able to fix up some of the issues we had going on over here, which, by the way, I see one right now. Just like that gap on my tail that I created, for some reason I could not fill it in again with that pen. So I'm just using my brush to fill it in. So those are the eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish off the face. I am wearing like a blue shirt today, so I think we're gonna do something along those lines. I'm not sure yet, but I'll see you in just a minute. Crap, I just sneezed. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and I finished the rest of my face. So kind of my last minute opinions about the brow pencil. I think the idea is really, really good. I definitely think it needs a little bit more tweaking, a little more working. I think the color could have been a little bit better. I think the brown was just really, really, really orange for me, so it wasn't a perfect match. So I'm still going to be filling in my brows using the Anastasia brow pencil. It's one of my favorites and it works so well. But I think I do really like the idea of just adding a couple of those hair-like strokes on the very fronts of my brow to kind of give me that really natural ombre look. So I know today's video was a little bit quicker. I just wanted to play around with that. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you enjoyed, please go ahead and leave a like. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!